what's up Dogecoin? So what's going on my millionaire brother? Today video is going very special because we are ready for moon and we are going for the moon. Are you ready? Please comment me to you are ready. If you are ready for moon, then please comment me my brother. So this is entertainment video. I motivate you my friend because Dogecoin is going very fastly and in those days every cryptocurrency goes down my brother. But Dogecoin is ready for flying, is ready for moon. So congratulations my brother. Let's see the live price prediction of Dogecoin to what's going in upcoming days. What's the target? What's our target? But if you are new on our channel, then most welcome my brother. Hope you are new. Please click on the subscribe button. I know you subscribe our YouTube channel. I am very thankful for you for this act to you subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so this time you can see here the last 1 hour chart and they just starting jumping. They're starting for the moon. They're going for the moon. You can see here. Are you ready millionaire? Please buy it. Don't waste your time and make you. They absolutely make you millionaire at the end of this month. I hope my friends they make you millionaire. The Dogecoin this time you can see here 0.68% change occur. My friend, they just going up. They just going up. They just going up. What you thinking they're going up? Absolutely. I think they're going up in upcoming time and upcoming days. Absolutely. So you just buy it, hold it, and wait for the good time. Then sell it. Absolutely. They give you very good profit. They make you millionaire just in a few days. So don't waste your time. Please invest. This is not a financial advice video. Please friend understand. Please if you want to invest in this, absolutely research personally. But this is just motivational video my friend. Hope you understand. Please like this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Please thanks for watching. I hope my friends our target is very high. I hope they can cross $1 just at the end of this month. Very high target. But this is not possible my friends. This is not possible. This is absolutely possible. I hope they can do it because Dogecoin is ready for moon, so they are gone in the moon, so we are also in the moon. So my friends, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please keep touch with us because we are motivating you in every crypto and we are guiding you in a crypto market because we have 3 years experience in the crypto market. Thanks for watching my friends. Hope you understand to what I tell you. This is buying time, this is holding time and no time to sell it. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.